Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is 2 3D SVG project shares that I want to share with you guys. If you follow me on Instagram, you have already seen these projects, but I wanted to show you guys the detail in the projects themselves. And for anybody who doesn't have Instagram, could definitely check out the projects now. So let's get on with this one first. This is a cute little Carriage box. I got the SVG file from Silhouette Design Store. I'll have it linked down below. You guys know that that's where I get a lot of my SVGs from. But how adorable is this? The paper that I used is just some regular pink cardstock, and the pattern paper that you see here is from Sunny Days Maggie Holmes. You guys, how cute is this little box? This is what the box looks like in the inside, so you can fill it with some goodies and send to a pen pal. Let me see, I had made some cute little rosettes here. So like if you make some rosettes, these are some cute little rosettes that I made using the new die that I got from AliExpress, which is this little rosette die. This one is using Paige Evans Horizon paper. But if you wanted to make like some rosettes, you can put like, fill it up or put it in a cute little bag. I don't have anything around here to show you guys how you can like, well, this is too big, but it would be like a smaller packaging to put inside and fill it with some goodies. You can even put like a little purse in here. I was thinking about doing that, but then I changed my mind, or a shaker as well. So cute, you guys. So I used these little gemstones, or these little blings from Michaels. You guys know I hold a bunch of bling from Michaels. This cute little puffy heart, I think it's from Target. I doubled up on some trim here. I did do a little bit of stitching around here, but my sewing machine was giving me a hard time, so I kind of like hit it a little bit. And then it has like the little cut apart windows. I did some trim here, a cute little bow, some gold paper for the wheels. And then you see the little box on this side, and that's the back. I would put my label right here. So that is the first little project that I wanted to share with you guys. The second one is another super cute one that I got an idea from Shara Crane. She posted this cute little popcorn cart, and I decided to create one myself. These are so fun. I am so happy with the way this turned out. Let me see if I can zoom out a little bit so you guys can see what it looks like. This is what the cart looks like. It stands up like that. That is the top. I put a cute little pom-pom on the top, this cute little butterfly embellishment, some of that bling, some pom-pom trim. The top does come off, and then inside is just filled with some rosettes and some crinkle paper. It's a fun way to send some rosettes or embellishments to a pen pal. I did do some stitching around the entire project, as you can see. Super cute. Little puffy balloon sticker, some stitching, more of those little gemstones on the wheels. I just think it looks so cute. There's some acetate here, some little more of that trim. I love that trim. I'm gonna be sad when I run out of it. It's kind of like my go-to. Another little balloon on this side, and then I have a cute little Maggie Holmes little resin piece right here, a little puffy sticker that says happy. I did do a shaker for this little window, which is where the little stand is, the little scallop edge. And I just think it looks so cute, and it's just a fun way to have like your pen pal open up some fun little embellishments. And I will also leave the file for that down below. But that is my fun little project share, you guys, for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye guys. Oops.